Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel and the change that is coming to Windows 11 in the near future is a change in something extremely familiar that I don't know why they decided that it's time to change. And I'm not sure it's a good idea because it kind of changes the feel of what it is. So, of course, when your PC crashes, we were used to getting something like this, which is a blue screen of death, which is a blue screen with that frowning face, and that your PC ran into a problem and had a QR code that could sometimes bring you to a Microsoft website, and you had all the info and the diagnostics it's sending and everything. The blue screen of that has been blue for quite a long time. It has changed over time from, the good old days of Windows 95 to today. But now they actually want to change it into a black screen of death, which would be this. Now, the problem with this is that it's the same color as the black screen that gives you a Windows update with a percentage. So it isn't as clear, of course it tells you at the bottom here that what happened and everything. It does say your device ran into a problem, but it's not really as clear that this is a crash. It looks much more like a Windows Update screen. So this, I'm not sure, is that great of an idea. Honestly, if you want to change a few things, fine, but this, no. Keep it blue. I think blue has been the color of the crashes for such a long time that, when you see it's blue, even if there's no text, even if you don't even see the screen, you see it's all blue, it immediately tells you it crashed. Black doesn't convey that same, message. So apparently this is where we're going. Personally, I think they just need to sit down and think it over and say, you know what, this is fine. Remove the QR code if you don't want to have people go to a web page that anyways, almost never gives you any info of anything. But I think blue screen should stay blue. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up.